Awuyazi namhlanje umhla ka-31 wonke umuntu ufuna ukwazi ukuthi Ukhozi iniphi ingoma ehlukanisa unyaka and Ukhozi sila ePietermaritzburg Oval Cricket Grounds la sibheke khona ukuthi sohlukanisa unyaka u-Ivan Sitophe sisonke Ukhozi FM lula kushube kakhulu njengoba uza music nje ingoba hey DJ The Soul use stage emva kwalokho Christos stage cabanga uMakhazi uyeza maduzane so siyayigroovela nje kumnandi kakhulu senza sure ukuthi 2023 uphethe vibe enamandla Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili everywhere
lo mcimbi lona waqala ukuba khona ngo-2010 wakhula manje usuyi-national event. Inhloso yalo mcimbi ukuthuthukisa amaciko nanokucontributa ukukhulisa umnotho wesifunda nesifundazwe. So-ke lo mcimbi mkhulu kakhulu siyabamema abantu beze sithi abantu sibafisela unyaka omuhle babe ney'nhlanhla uNkulunkulu nomveli nqangi ababusise. Ngiyabonga.
We out here, we Last Dance. We're having an epic moment. Happy New Year to everyone. Shout out to Ukhozi, shout out to SABC 1.
What we wish ukuthi abantu bala edolobheni lethu eMsunduzi bajabule baqoqane endaweni eyodwa to make sure ukuthi baphephile. But ngaphezu kwalokho kuthina as the municipality, this is a launch of our 185 years of our existence. All we say to our people ukuthi happy new year, a prosperous 2023 sinifisela okuhle ilokotho ezinhle njalo sibonga kakhulu.
So se-oval yami namhlanje sihamba noKhozi kumnandi stage si-right bafethu siyabonga for i-support senu siniqhamuke namhlanje so nilindele okukhulu namhlanje i-Club of Afro asisazishe.
Yeah man, it's nice to be in the city of choice, BMB, Last Dance. Big ups to Ukhozi FM, SABC 1, everybody involved, you know.